Hello everybody, thank you very much for being here with me today. This is the look that we're doing. I know it's a very outdated type of look, but I really like it. I think it turned out to be pretty good, very glamorous. That's why I paired it up with this type of earrings that I think look pretty cool too. So if you are interested to see how I did this look, please stay and watch. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to start by applying my foundation, and I always like to pair whatever foundation I put on with this BB cream by L'Oreal because I noticed that it minimizes my pores. And I also today using this foundation, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. And I do like to blend my foundation with my fingers because that way it blends better. I like to use only one finger instead of the whole hand. And today I'm using this one, and this one is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and use a sponge to blend my concealer in. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the powder, and I always like to apply my powder with a sponge, but I like to wet my sponge with some water. So I'm gonna wet it a little. I'm not gonna use the part where I apply the concealer with. I'm gonna use the other part, the one that is clean. And I'm gonna put the powder on my hand. This is the powder that I'm using, the banana bend powder. I like it because it has a yellow tint to it, which actually highlights my skin. So I'm gonna put it here first, so I don't have too much of a powdery look. And I'm going to apply the powder wherever I apply the concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna start by applying my crease color, which in this case is going to be a pink peachy color. Is this one right here. I'm gonna place it right here. See? Right there. And then I'm gonna go in. So I put the camera closer so that you can see better what I'm doing right here. The movement that I'm gonna be making to blend this eyeshadow are going to be up and down, in and out, in and out. Sometimes I might make some circle motions, but it all depends because my objective here is to blend this eyeshadow as much as I can. So I'm gonna start, and I'm going to make sure to go all the way here because that is going to make an illusion that my eyes are bigger. Now I'm gonna switch for this brush, and I'm gonna pick up the same eyeshadow color, and I'm gonna place it right here, and I'm gonna blend. And I'm going to make sure to go a little low because I'm gonna put another eyeshadow here, so I want this one that I'm using right now to show. With the same brush, with this brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use place my second color, which is going to be this one right here. It's a purple, but it's a pinky purple. It's not a bluish purple. Because the reason why I'm choosing this is because I wanna keep the pink color going on. And I'm gonna place it right here. And now I'm gonna switch for this type of brush, and I'm going to make sure to blend it. And with this brush I'm gonna be making circular motions like this, and then in and out, in and out. And sometimes I may have to go back and use the pencil light brush just because it's so precise that you can really get whatever you want to get. If I need more color, I'm gonna be applying more color. Okay, now I'm just gonna use any black eyeshadow that you have, will do, just as long as it's matte. And the same brush, and I'm just gonna place it Once you have placed it, clean your brush to make sure you don't have too much eyeshadow, because black eyeshadow is really hard to blend. You don't want to put too much, because then taking it off is going to be really hard to do. So clean your brush, and with your clean brush, go ahead and start blending it in. So just try to blend in the edges. Try to get it into this color that we put here. And I like to do like a cat eye effect, so I like to go out in the corner some and then bring it in. So now I'm gonna go ahead with the purple color that I use, the second color that I use, and the round brush. And I'm gonna put it in the crease again, but this time the difference is that it's gonna be on top of the black, of the blended part of the black. And the only reason why I'm doing that so is that it blends very well, and you cannot see when one color starts and the other one finishes. And the key for this look is to make sure that you blend. It's very important that for this look, because you're working with black, and black can be a little too harsh on the eye, so you really want it to be blended. I'm going to pick out a little more of the black eyeshadow and just place it right here, very close to the lashes, because in the blending process I love some of that black. And once I do that, then I'm gonna blend it a little. Okay, and now I'm going to apply an eyeshadow glitter that comes in a roller form. And all you do is you just roll it all over your eye, and it doesn't apply too much. Or I mean, not like it doesn't really pack a lot of eyeshadow. You just put some of it, which I like it because I don't want to do the whole glitter thing. Just some sparkle is all I want. And I'm going to put it just right here in the eyelid. Just and it automatically sticks to the eyelid. The glitter does, I mean. You don't have to put glue or anything like that. It just does it on its own, which is pretty good. And I like to go out in the inner corner some, because that made my eye look bigger this way. And I like that illusion. See, not much, just some. My camera, the battery is telling me that it's gonna die, so I'm trying to hurry up. And I forgot to tell you something. You always have to apply, just so that it looks better, your highlight color. So in my case, I'm applying this color right here, which is like a cream color, and I'm applying it. I always like to start right here in the middle of my eyebrow and then go out. I always feel like a shadow gets in there, so in order to get rid of that shadow, I like to apply the highlight color there too. But you don't need to do that if you don't want to, that's fine. Every single time I apply my highlight color, I always feel like I lose some of the blending color. So I don't put more eyeshadow on my brush. I go with the same eyeshadow that I have in there, and go and, you know, retouch it a little, just a little bit, not much, because the color is there really, so you don't really need to do much of it. I'm going to put some liner in the lower and upper part. And then with my eye pencil, I'm going to place just a little bit right here outside, but just a tiny bit, not much. I went a little off here, you know, I should stay inside like I did here, but that's okay. We're gonna correct that with makeup. Take that purple color that on camera looks like a blue purple, but it's not a blue purple, it's a pink purple. Sometimes some of the colors look different on camera, I don't know why. So I'm gonna put it right on top of that black eye pencil. So I'm gonna go with my eye pencil and I'm gonna try to go out just a little bit. Then I'm gonna pick at the first pink color that we use, this one, and I'm gonna place it right on top of that black and try to blend. When I'm blending, I'm gonna make sure to go all the way here. See, going a little upper, passing a little the wing liner that I did, just a little bit. I'm gonna powder my face, and I'm gonna apply the powder wherever I didn't apply the concealer. I have a tiny little fallout, so I'm gonna pick at the powder with my brush, and then I'm gonna sweep it on the part where I had the eyeshadow fallout, just like so. Now I'm gonna apply my bronzer, and I like to use this True Match powder, but it's actually a powder that is 4 shades darker than my normal skin tone. So that works pretty good for me. And I'm gonna start placing most of the color here, and then I'm gonna go down and blend it in. And then I'm gonna go down here and all the way down. Place it right here, and right here. Pick it a little more and place it right here. So this is a blush that I'm using. It's a pink blush that has some glitter in it. Place it right here, and I blend it, and I go a little down so that it blends in with the bronzer that I put on there. Okay, the battery in the camera died, so I have to recharge it for a little while, and I have to really hurry up because I don't think I have much time. So I was saying that the highlighter that I like to use, is this one by ELF, and it's actually an eyeshadow that is called Buttercream. So I just put it in here and blend it in, and I do try to blend it in with my blush a little bit so everything looks put together. I put some here, some here, some here, and here, and here, and here, and then I blend it in. And I like to use a brush like this to brush my eyebrows first, because that way I can take out everything that is in there, any powders or eyeshadows. And then I use another product from ELF, the eyebrow kit. I place the eyeshadow only in the parts of my eyebrow that doesn't have enough hair in it, which to me is right here and here on the tail, and then also some here. But here at the beginning of the eyebrow, you always have to be careful because people usually don't have much hair there. So don't try to push too much, you know, whether you use a pencil or eyeshadow or a gel, whatever you use, always try to be light-handed with that area. Okay, and now the lipstick that I'm going to use is this one by Burst Bee, kind of a pinky nude, looks like that. I'm not gonna put any liner or anything like that. And I also going to apply this by ELF, and it's also pinky looking. So I'm just gonna apply some. Not too much. Okay, this is the final look. I hope that you like it. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. I really like this look. I think it's very glamorous. It's really out there. I know it's more like for going to a party or something, but I think it really looks pretty good. And oh, I wanted to mention something. Since the batteries ran out on me and I have to recharge it for a little while, I took advantage of that time to put on my mascara, which is this one, Organic Wear by Physicians Formula, and I do like it because it's an organic mascara, and you know the organic things are good for you. And oh, I put on my lashes too. So I changed my earrings. Do you like those earrings? See, they're very pretty. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and like the video and write comments to me. Let me see what else would you like to see me doing, or if you practice this makeup, what do you think about it? So thank you very much for being here with me, and see you next time. Bye.